Hello guys, how to be here. Welcome back to another video, and today we will unbox the Mano or Mano, whatever you call, the ultimate microphone set. This is the full set, and this actually comes with some interesting items. So this is the packaging. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and the model is called PM422. This looks actually cool. USB condenser microphone set. This is the full setup. If you take a look at this picture, this is actually the full setup, and top to bottom this is the setup. Yeah, we have the pop filter, as also the shock or the mount, whatever we call, and also the USB connector which will connect it through the wire, and then the desk mount, in which desk you want to mount. This will have the facilities. And let's open it up and let's check what is inside the box. So this thing, like this, oh my goodness, this looks great. And yeah, this is the Maono pad, and which is actually remove all the whatever is this called, like this will remove all the sound coming from my breathing. It will reduce the breathing sound. And yeah, this is the another pad which will make finish your voice. And let's open up this. This is the setup. This is the total setup, and this is the microphone what we are actually looking for. As you can see, this is called finesse. I mean, this actually comes with some finesse. Really looking sick. I really love this one. And it also comes with an headphone port. I really don't want to use that headphone port because I really don't want the headphone port, because I really don't like it. That's it. I really hate using headphones. It is good with the speakers. This is what the speakers is for. Let's keep it aside and let's check out other things. Like, this is the power cable. Well, my bad, this is the USB cable which will connect with the microphone, and possibly this will have all the powers and all other facilities needed for run a microphone properly. Run the total setup properly. Yeah, as you can see, this is a very common USB port. Like we sometimes will find this with the printer and other things. And let's check out other things. Like, oh, this is the funny part. Like, this is called the silica, and this actually absorbs water. Isn't this interesting? Why this comes with this bag, I don't know, but this is like very cool, interesting. And this is called the stand, where the total microphone will mount it. This is kind of big. What the hell? What the hell is this? So this is really huge. If you can't see in the image or in the, you can just adjust it anywhere you want, in any position you want. This will have the jacks to tighten this up or loosen this up. It will depend up to you in which portion you really love to like this. And Yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. We'll make a full tutorial video how to set up this. Hope you all will love that. And let's check out other things what is inside the box. And this is called the clamp for hanging the total microphone. And I mean, this will just go with your table and you will just adjust the level and it will just stay strong. And yeah, like yeah, up or down, yeah, this will work this type. This is the upper part, this is the lower part. It will adjust and we will just add the stand here. I hope this way it will work. And this is the microphone mount. I mean, we'll mount the microphone here. And what is this thing? Oh, not here. Well, let me check out this another time. I'm really new at this, but I hope it will have some other infos like how you will do this. I have to check out the manual for very quick. Is this? I think this is it. Yeah, this way I can feel it is locking up clockwise. This is it, and you can be able to adjust the level with this the way you want. You can just adjust it. This total thing will 90 degree, I guess, at best 90 degree. Hopefully this will work very good. And yeah, that's all. And there is a so-called sticker or whatever is you can call this, the tagline, whatever is this. So that was the last part here, and everything is nice. And yeah, this is it, guys. Hope you all enjoy the video. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and hope see you all soon with another interesting unboxing video. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.